Alright, let me give you the official tour and what I did to get ready. Went ahead and pulled out the passenger seat, pulled out the back seat, installed this nice cot here and sleeping bag, got some extra gas, got all my clothes, got a little cooler, got water supply, installed this cool little light for the nighttime. What else? Got both lights ready to go, and this one all nice and wired up. Got the other GoPro up here, and I did end up getting rid of the big round ones, and I just ended up throwing these guys on instead, just so that I have something functional for the road. And I think we're just about ready to go. Well, this is night number 1 in the Jeep. Made it all the way to Cali for the first part of the drive, and gonna get a little rest. Let you check out my setup real quick. Got the curtains up, got the windshield blocked, and now we'll get a little bit of sleep. And then tomorrow I think we're gonna go check out Joshua Tree Park, and then head up north to Mammoth and see if we can find some snow. See you in the morning. That was our first night in the Jeep. It was really cool. Got a little bit cold, but not too bad. We're here at Joshua Tree, so I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go get some gas, and then we're gonna go to the park, see what we can find. So this guy I just ran into told me that this road that we're on actually takes us right to the highway, which is pretty cool. He also said that towards the last, I don't know, about 5 miles, it gets pretty gnarly. So it looks like we're going to be doing some four-wheeling. He also said that there's an abandoned mine over here somewhere. So I think I'm going to try and find it, maybe do a little exploring. We'll see what we find.
See the Jeep in its natural habitat. Quite a beautiful little Jeep it is. But we want to be very careful as we don't spook it off. Beautiful.
Let's see, what do we got here? Looks like a water tanker or something. goes. Cool. Well, this must be the mine that the old man was talking about, because he did mention something about, looked like they painted a helicopter landing. Isn't that cool? A little windy, but it feels great. Look at the Jeep. Look at the little Jeep. Beautiful out here. That's not cool. I don't know what is. What do you think? Oh yeah. Found out here in the middle of nowhere. Very cool. I guess someone doesn't like Steve, huh? Found some more four-wheelers. And back onto the trail.
Is that mine? Oh, cool. And Old Dale, you know, there's another that's Golden Egg is straight that way. And Old Dale just keeps going all the way out to the freeway. Oh, cool. 62. But yeah, lots to explore in here. And lots to explore up in that area.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks for all the information. I appreciate it.
Have a good drive.
Hey, thanks a lot. You guys have a good trip.
You too.
Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? Hello, Jeep Jeep. And onward we go. So just made it through all the technical stuff. Got pretty gnarly back there, but that's what she's built for. I think I'm on the road that's gonna take me back to the highway, so I think I'm gonna find a place to pull over and I'm gonna cook some breakfast. Alright, well here's my spot. Gonna cook up a little breakfast, get some food in the belly, and then see where the road takes us next. Well, that didn't really go as planned. Couldn't get the stove to light. It's this weird like 1970s pump white gas stove. So don't know what's wrong with it. It's pretty old, so who knows. So I guess I'm going to have banana bread, a banana, orange juice, and maybe an orange. So no eggs and bacon this morning, but when I get to town, I'll probably stop at a Walmart or something, see if I can get a regular propane stove, because I got a bunch of little propane canisters with me, so I think that'll work out. Shout out to Tammy for this banana bread loaf. That shit is bomb. Well, it wasn't eggs and bacon, but that'll have to do. So I guess onward to our next stop. Made it back to civilization. Here's the highway, and I guess we're just gonna take it down this way and see where it leads us.